Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech that's all about making your life easier. Now imagine this, a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors, but does it smarter, faster, and more effortlessly than anything you've ever seen. Well, today, we're diving into exactly that. The Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro. If you're done with the endless sweeping and want a vacuum that handles everything on its own, and I mean everything, then trust me, you're going to want to hear all about this one. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because this vacuum might just change the way you think about cleaning for good. This isn't just a vacuum, it's an all-in-one powerhouse. With a 10-in-1 uni-clean station, 8,000 Pascal suction power, a hydrojet mop combo, and some sci-fi level obstacle detection. So let's break it all down and see if this is the robot cleaner your home has been waiting for. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on smart tech reviews, and drop a comment below if you'd trust a robot to handle your housework. Let's get into it. First off, the design. The S1 Pro looks premium. The robot itself has a clean, minimal look with sharp contours. But the real showstopper is the uni-clean station. It's sleek, futuristic, and a major step forward from those chunky docks we're used to. Let's talk about that 10-in-1 station, because this thing isn't just a parking spot for the robot. It's basically the robot's brain, heart, and lungs all in one. So what's packed inside? Let's go feature by feature. Auto mop washing. This robot doesn't just mop your floors, it washes its own mop too. After each session, it heads back to the dock and automatically scrubs the mop pads clean. Hot air drying. Once it's done washing, the station uses hot air to dry the mop. No mildew, no stinky smells, just fresh, clean pads, ready to go for the next session. Eco Clean Ozone. This is next level. It actually generates ozone to sterilize and sanitize the mop and the water system, making sure bacteria doesn't build up. Auto dust collection. The robot empties its own dustbin into a sealed bag at the base, so you don't have to deal with dirt for weeks. Auto water supply. Need more water for mopping? The station takes care of that by refilling the robot's tank automatically. Auto dirty water collection. Dirty mop water, collected and separated into its own tank, hands-free and hygienic. Cleaning solution dispenser. Add your favorite floor cleaning solution and let the dock handle the rest. It mixes and dispenses the perfect amount every time. Self-cleaning pipe system. The internal tubes and hoses also clean themselves. No clogs, no gunk, no manual maintenance. Touch display control. Control the robot and all dock functions directly from the uni-clean station. It's simple, intuitive, and removes the need to always pull out your phone. Odor control system. A built-in deodorizing system keeps everything smelling fresh, even after weeks of use. I mean, that's an insane list of features for one dock, right? Now, let's talk about the robot itself, because the S1 Pro is no slouch. This little beast packs an 8,000 Pascal suction motor. That's right, 8,000 Pascals. Whether you're dealing with fine dust, pet hair, cereal spills, or muddy footprints, this thing picks it up like a champ. And thanks to smart surface detection, it automatically adjusts suction power depending on whether it's cleaning hardwood, tile, or carpet. The hydrojet mop system is one of the best I've seen. It sprays water evenly, scrubs thoroughly, and thanks to the mop lift function, it won't soak your carpets. The mop pads lift when a rug or carpet is detected, keeping those soft surfaces dry and clean. Now, here's where the S1 Pro really flexes its tech muscles. 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance. Most robot vacuums stumble around like drunk Roombas. This one, it uses a precision camera and AI-powered depth sensing to identify and avoid obstacles in real time. Shoes, socks, cables, pet toys, and even unexpected pet accidents. It dodges it all like a pro. The navigation system is also top tier. It builds detailed maps of your home using its sensors and camera, and it plans super efficient routes with edge-to-edge coverage. You can even name rooms, set specific cleaning zones, and create virtual no-go areas right from the app. And speaking of the app, the Eufy app is excellent. You get real-time updates, remote control access, schedule customization, water flow and suction settings, and even video feedback from the robot's onboard camera. It's like having a cleaning command center in your pocket. Voice control? Of course. The S1 Pro works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say, "Start cleaning," and it's off to the races. Battery life is solid too. Thanks to a large lithium-ion battery, it can clean big areas in a single charge. And if the juice runs low mid-clean, it'll return to dock, recharge, and resume exactly where it left off. No missed spots, no interruptions. The cleaning performance is stunning. Edge brushing is precise. The mop system scrubs away sticky messes. And with the smart auto drying and auto cleaning station, everything stays clean and ready for action. Bottom line, if you're looking for a truly automated cleaning solution, the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro is an absolute monster. It vacuums, mops, empties itself, cleans its own mop, refills handles water, dries pads, avoids obstacles, and basically runs your floor care on autopilot. Yes, the price tag is premium, but so is the experience. This isn't just a robot vacuum. It's a full-on cleaning ecosystem. It's for people who want sparkling floors with zero maintenance and maximum tech. So, is the Eufy S1 Pro worth it for tech lovers, pet owners, busy families, or anyone who's done with daily cleaning? 100% yes. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust a robot to handle all your cleaning? Or is this just too much automation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dive smart home reviews. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.